Lumos Maximum. Woo! Hello, wizards, witches, and muggles. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sabrina if you're new here. In my last video, I decorated for fall, but I did mention that I'd be decorating for Halloween. So I'm going to show you guys how I decorated for Halloween this year. I mentioned that I was going to do a Harry Potter theme, and that's exactly what I did. I'm in my Hogwarts robe. I am a Ravenclaw, which makes sense as a Virgo. Totally makes sense. I've set up little scenes to pay homage to the movies and to the books. Obviously, we can start with what you see behind me, which is my floating candles. I've styled my bar to mimic kind of the Great Hall that you see in Harry Potter. I got the candles from Amazon and I hung them with fishing line and clear hooks to the ceiling. You really can't see the fishing line at all, which is so dope because at night it literally looks like it's floating. I also bought a star projector that's supposed to mimic kind of like a galaxy. I also styled some basic Halloween stuff, some cobwebs, some bats and stuff like that. I changed out some of my fall decor that was on the bar, switched it to more of a Halloween decor. I have my skull decanter and that just adds like a nice little Halloween touch. Love this area. Okay, moving on. So walking through the rest of the apartment, it is a Harry Potter theme, but more of a Halloween version of the theme. We have Snape's potion class set up and themed, and we also have the Death Eaters themed over here on my TV console. I DIY'd all of my potion bottles. A lot of them are older potion bottles that I've had in the past, and some of them are new. I have my potion book that I DIY'd years ago. Like I mentioned, I'm paying a little bit more of an homage to the Death Eater side. So I have Bellatrix wand over there, as well as her Death Eater mask. And some skulls, just to bring more of the spooky vibes of the Harry Potter out. I hung up some hats in the back with the same fishing line that I used for the candles to keep the floating vibes happening throughout the space. I filled the bookshelves with little nods to Harry Potter, so I have the golden snitch back there. I also have my black pumpkin that I mentioned in my last video. I also put some quill feathers laying around in the bookshelf and on the coffee table. I used my record player as a suitcase. In the Harry Potter films, they do use more of these old-time, old-looking suitcases. I figured the record player kind of matched that aesthetic, and it was white and neutral. If you notice, I don't really have much color. I didn't add color again, because again, I don't like color. Hedwig is white as well, so I put those two together, added in an acceptance letter, a ticket to Hogwarts, and just styled it up really nicely on the coffee table. Going back to the TV, I did put some bats coming out of the TV. I did that last year. The quintessential Harry Potter Halloween decor, the Chamber of Secrets, has been opened. Enemies of the air, beware. I wrote that in red lipstick on the mirror. That is a tribute to Chamber of Secrets, the second movie and the second book. Like I mentioned, I do a lot of DIY, so I DIY'd a lot of the stuff in here. I DIY'd the Tom Riddle diary, also a tribute to the Chamber of Secrets. I DIY'd all of my acceptance letters. The one that Hedwig is carrying is my own personal acceptance letter. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I can't wait to have kids to share this with. But for now, I'll share it with you guys. So I hope you guys liked my little tour of my little Harry Potter decor this year. If you did like it, you might also like my Halloween decorating from last year, so be sure to check that video out. Before you go and check that one out, be sure to like this one first and subscribe if you're new, because why not? And I will catch you guys in my next one. Peace.